Alright, let's create your Google Play developer account. If you've built an Android app, this is the account you need to publish it on the Google Play Store. Don't worry if you've never done this before. I'll walk you through everything, step by step. Let's get started. First, open Google. Search for Google Play Console. Make sure you open the official Android developer's website. Once you're there, you'll see the Google Play Console homepage. This is where you'll manage your apps, publish updates, track downloads, earn revenue, view crashes, and basically control everything related to your Android apps. Click Sign In. Log in with the Google account you want to use as your developer account. If Google asks you to enable two-factor authentication, go ahead and enable it. It's recommended and sometimes required. After signing in, you'll be asked what type of developer account you want. You have two choices: personal or organization. If you're publishing apps under your own name, choose personal. If you're registering on behalf of a company or business, choose organization. For this tutorial, let's go with personal. Google will now ask for your legal information. Enter your real name, exactly as it appears on your government ID. Next, choose your developer name. This is the name users will see on the Play Store. It can be your own name or your brand name. Choose wisely, because this is your public identity. Click Next. Now you'll need to create a Google Payments profile. If you already have one, simply select it. Otherwise, create a new payment profile. Fill in your country, address, postal code, and the required billing information. Next, enter your developer email address. This is where Google will contact you. You can use the same Gmail account or another email dedicated to your apps. Google will then ask a few questions. Things like your Android development experience, whether you've used Google Play Console before, whether you've had another developer account recently. Just answer honestly. If you have a website, add it here. If not, you can always add it later. Next, Google asks about your apps. How many apps do you expect to publish over the next 12 months? Will you monetize your apps? If you plan to earn money through ads, subscriptions, or paid apps, select yes. Then you'll answer a few security and policy questions. Most normal app developers can simply answer no unless the question specifically applies to them. Next, fill in your public contact details. Your contact name, email address, phone number, and preferred language. These details help users and Google contact you when needed. After that, review the developer agreement. Accept the terms, and click Create Account and Pay. Google charges a one-time $25 registration fee. Enter your card details, complete the payment, and your developer account will be created. But you're not done yet. Google now requires identity verification. Click Get Started. You'll need to upload a government-issued ID. You can use your passport, driving license, or national identity card. Upload clear photos, exactly as requested. Once submitted, Google usually reviews your identity within a few days. Sometimes it's faster. Sometimes it takes a little longer. Next, Google asks you to verify that you own an Android device. Simply install the Google Play Console app from the Play Store. Sign in using the same Google account. Follow the verification steps, and that's done. Now, wait for Google to approve your identity.
One day later.
Once you receive the confirmation email, go back to your Play Console. Open account details. You'll notice one more step. Verify your phone number. Click Verify Phone Number. Google will send you a 6-digit verification code. Enter the OTP. Click Verify. And that's it. Your Google Play developer account is officially ready. You'll now land on the Play Console dashboard, where you can create your very first Android app. In the next video, I'll show you exactly how to publish your first app, from start to finish, whether it's built with Android Studio, Flutter, React Native, or even an AI app builder. So if you don't want to miss that, hit the subscribe button, drop a like, and I'll see you in the next one.